Hey guys, it's Jules here, and as you know, it is almost New Year's Eve, and I have for you another New Year's Eve look. I call this the fun smoky eye. It's just your classic smoky eye with a little bit of sparkle on it, a little bit of fun color and shimmer, and I really think this would be a great look for tonight because it's fun, but it's still very sexy and refined at the same time. So yeah, to do this look, we're going to start off with Urban Decay Primer Potion on our lid, and I already have that. Let me zoom in. Now we are going to take a fluffy blending brush and take this CoverGirl quad, and we are going to take, this is called Drama Eyes. I don't ever use this, but it's just a good color, this silver here, to set our base, and we're just going to put this all over the lid and up a little bit higher than the crease. And this is just going to help us have that nice sparkly silver color underneath our other makeup. Now we are going to take our Urban Decay Black palette, and we are going to be using this color Barracuda right here. It's like a very dark gunmetal mixed with black and glitter. And so we're going to take just a medium shadow brush like this, and we're going to pick up a very little amount because you can see how pigmented that is, and we are just going to put it right on that outside and kind of blend it towards the middle. And it's okay that it's light because we're just going to kind of give that early definition. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to take High Intensity Pigments Duo. This is in Platinum, and this has a insanely intense silver on it. But you can see how much this sparkles. But we're just going to use a little bit, so it's just going to give that silver touch without being too overpowering. And we're just going to put this right on that inner corner. And we are going to blend it with that Barracuda. This is just going to give some nice shine to the inner corner of my eye. And you can extend it a little bit higher too because we are going to be blending this look out. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the Barracuda, and we're going to take a little bit more on that same medium shadow brush, and you can see how dark and pigmented it is from just a little bit. And we're going to start blending this in to that silver and up into the crease. And in the middle here, you want to blend it out as best as possible so that you have minimum lines. Alright, so now that we have our shape, we are going to take a medium crease brush, and we are going to take our black palette again in Black Dog. And if you watch my other video, you know how pigmented this is. You only need a very little bit. You probably can't even see. We're just going to use a really little bit and put that in the crease and start to blend that up and out. This is very, very pigmented. It's going to give you just the right amount of smokiness, and it still has glitter in it. Alright, now we're just going to take that same blending brush that we put on that first silver with, but we're going to gently dust around this whole look to kind of blend out that harsh line. You don't even need to put any more powder on it, just leave it like that. Okay, now we're going to do the eyeliner. which I like to do before I do the other intense eyeliner because it's harder to do after that. This is the Styla Kajol eyeliner, and this is for the waterline. Now on the top. Alright, now that we have our waterline lined, we are going to take Urban Decay eye pencil in 24/7, not in 24/7, in 0, and we are just going to line the lower 3/4 of our lash line. And it's okay that it's not perfect because we're going to be smudging this out, so don't worry. We're just going to bring this up a bit, and then we're going to start on the top and just make very simple winged eyeliner. And why I'm using this and not the gel eyeliner is because the pencil kind of sinks into the colors and it doesn't look so clean. This one is just going to help enhance the smoky eye look. Gotta match it up there. And you want to make it pretty thick. If you wanted to do it thinner, you could, but I always feel like the smoky eye deserves thick eyeliner. Alright, so now that we've done that, make sure that your corner is nice and connected. We are going to take Urban Decay 24/7, excuse me, I'm losing my voice, in Gunmetal. And we are just going to put this on this inner 1/2 of the eyelid. And you're going to overlap it with the black, and you see how it just easily blends that together. Okay, so now that we have that part of our eyeliner done, we're going to do some special glitter sparkles on it. This is Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Spandex. And you can see this is like, it's a clear eyeliner, but it has a whole bunch of different colored sparkles in it. It has green and blue and maybe a little bit of purple in there. But this just looks really cool over black because it looks more subtle, but it still gives that nice pop that you want for New Year's Eve. I'm just going to put this all along that eye, the liner that you just made. And I'm even going to put a little bit along the outer 1/4 of the eyelid on the bottom. Alright, so now that our look is pretty much all done, I'm just going to pop on some mascara and I will be finished. Gotta find it. So I'm just going to pop on some mascara. This is Maybelline Volume Express mascara. And we're just going to put a few coats on the top and a few on the bottom. If you want to wear fake eyelashes, that would be perfect with this look. You would just apply it probably before you put on the sparkle eyeliner because that could help just seal in the eyelashes when you put them on. And yeah, you would be ready to go. Just a little bit on the bottom. Oops, got a little chunker. Take a Q-tip, really easily remove that, and we're ready to go. Zoom you out here. So this is our finished look. You can see it's a really nice smoky eye. It has a little bit of the sparkle on the top. You're going to be getting compliments all night. You're going to look great, and it'll stay in put because you have that primer potion on. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I hope you guys have a happy New Year's Eve, and I will see you either later tonight or in the new year. Bye, love you all.